Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the owner of Camelot Window Cleaning. We are a locally family-owned and operated company that has been servicing the greater Nashville area for over 10 years.
We know that price is one of the most important factors in choosing a window cleaning company. At Camelot, we use a step-by-step process for every business and home. This process keeps our pricing fair and competitive. Window cleaning is our bread and butter, so we value your business and are delighted to have it. Whether we are servicing your 30-story building or your ranch-style home, we are fully equipped and have the highest safety standards in the industry. Whatever the need, we have a cleaning package and service schedule for you. You can even select priority windows like entranceways and main traffic areas to be cleaned on a regular basis. If you request, we will send insurance certificates, W-9, and any other paperwork you may need with our estimate. We are proud of our prices and always honor them, so call us today to schedule your free estimate. Be sure to watch our other videos on our commercial, high-rise, and residential window cleaning process.